Alright, YouTube, I'm sorry I haven't made no content. I'm at work, just leaving work right now. In my family, this is my little desk area. Leaving work, I'm about to go home and do what it do. I gotta start getting some more content out. I want to apologize for not getting all this content out. And we have some new projects out right now. I'm doing a drift car build for somebody else at my job. One of my co-workers have a G35 that we're just dropping the engine in. We're gonna be doing the engine swap for him in there. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Adam, say what's up to my viewers. What up? Yeah, this G35, he's the new drift car owner.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yes, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be doing it. Woo, 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 woo! Yeah. Just wanna say thank you for watching. Here we go. You guys about to watch.
2 to 3 codes.
This whole
They
thing
said
go down.
ECM communications fault code. ECM fault code.
A little bit of my day. This is what I do. Look like
Wow.
this today. Come home and change things just for fun. If it ain't boring, it's boring.
When it's all like electronic components, right? Not a normal transmission. You know, the customer, I think, had it potentially diagnosed somewhere else because there's a what the blue hell are you doing?
Content.
There's replace the transmission. And even the inspector said when they hooked up, hooked up this code reader, wouldn't communicate with the
Big building. Work in a big office. Alright, see you. Yeah.
And
This is
what?
Thanks for watching my viewers. Leaving the building. Big building. Big building.
You seem not communicating. So now it's the dealer,
To Floyd.
and they're pulled through these stacks. They kill it from the foot side. And sold like that. Control monitor. Yeah, just a piece of your dealer. Right.
Big building.
First we replace the entire
What you doing over here, Miss Molina? Look at my Miss Lovely Molina, guys. Say hi to Miss Molina. Look at you, Miss Molina. I'm gonna be famous, Miss Molina. I'm gonna have to be a billionaire. I'm gonna buy you something nice when I become a billionaire. That's it, Miss Molina. See you tomorrow now. Shit, if it ain't born, it's born.
Get out of here.
We got the SR.
Alright, I'll see you in the morning, bro.
All right, you two have a good night, man. Take care. Just trying to do some content for my viewers. Just trying to do some content for the viewers. All right. That's it. After a long days of work, gotta go home. Get home. Take gift cards. Because if it ain't born, it's born. That's the motto.
Exactly.
Exactly. So you ready to get your drift rocket rolling?
Oh, you know, man, ready to get back sliding.
Yeah, man. I can't wait. I can't wait to get mine done.
Right?
Yeah. You know, I've never been sliding really like that, so
Oh, man.
after I finish my drift car, this is gonna be it right here.
Be fun.
Yeah, I can't wait. Seatbelt on, guys, you know.
Alright, so you have to get the quickest route to your house, because
Alright. Gotta make a left at that light. It was at this moment I knew I messed up. Can't wait to get the cars done.
Been a good time.
Start sliding those things. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to the house.
Go to have to hit up Ledford City because it's like $75 for an hour on the drift pad.
Oh man, that's not bad at all. $75 for an hour in the drip pad. We get to just slide.
Yep. They're also building holy bananas.
Oh wow. Oh, it's like a cop hangout. It's like a cop meet. It's a cop meet.
Gee,
Wow.
I'm not gonna say they're running radar. But,
Go ahead. Over and out. Meet you guys at the house. We're on our way to the house. As soon as I get to the house, I'm gonna go ahead and continue the video.
Later.
Later. All right, man. Pulling up to my neighborhood. At the Drift Rockets at the Yibbers.
Exactly.
There you go. Yes, nice. And my lovely elbow. Alright, thank you for the ride.
Absolutely.
Come grab some stuff. So guys, thank you for joining us. This is his drift car. That's my drift car. G35. G35. Hey, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hey. Hi, Mom. Now I'm building that for her right there. It's 3 Series. It's better on gas mileage, so I'm gonna be building that 3 Series for her. Hi, Mom. Hey, Gigi. How you doing? Gigi. Hi, buddy. Yeah. Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes? All right. YouTube, I got my clothes changed.